Hello, my friend, and welcome to this training series on how to build your website using WordPress and Divi, and specifically using the template that OBL have given you to get your websites up and running as fast as possible. So I have no doubt that you're going to be continuing to work on your website and make it better and optimizing it so that more people can find you and leading to sales for you. And this is just the beginning. So we have given you a very simple template that's going to just get the main information that you need to get out, and it'll be a really, really great place to start for your website. All right, so let's get started. Right now, I'm going to give you an overview on what we're going to be going through. So as you can see here, I am in the dashboard when I've just logged into WordPress to a clean installation of WordPress, and it's got the Divi theme, which is the builder that we're going to be using to build our website. And it's the theme that we've used to create this template. And I'm just going to show you a bit about the template structure at the moment. So what we're going to be doing in this mini training is, first, we're going to be starting with a style guide, because it's really important to start with your business brand, to know the colors, the fonts, have a logo, that kind of stuff before you jump in and start making changes to your website, because the last thing you want to do is to have an inconsistent website that just kind of shows all sorts of different branding things like colors and stuff like that, and that's not what you want. So we'll start in Canva, using that simple graphic design tool, Canva, which we all love, to build ourselves a style guide. Then once we've done that style guide, we'll add it to our Divi builder, and to make it really easy for us to access those graphics and those colors and fonts when we need them. That'll help us to speed up the design process. The next thing is to edit the privacy policy and terms of use. And let me show you some of these pages. So if you click on pages here, I'll make my face a bit smaller. You can see here that we've been given 4 main pages: blog, home, privacy policy, and terms of use. Privacy policy is telling your audience, the people that go to your website, how you use the information. Okay, so what are you doing with that private information? So it's really important to have that there. And the terms of use is basically your expectations of them and what they can expect from you. Don't worry about having to write these, because these are templates, privacy policy templates and terms of use templates that have been pre-written, that are pretty generic, that you can use. So that's going to just cover your butt there. So highly recommend. It's actually a must to have these. We're going to be going through how to edit them and how to make it yours. Right. Then we're going to be going through the home page and how to edit that home page and the different sections of that home page as well. I'm going to be showing you this really cool thing called Divi, the Divi theme builder, to help you to build your website more efficiently, and also looking at the Divi library and the difference between the theme builder and the Divi library. Okay, I've just gone to that page. This is Divi theme options. Don't worry about that now. The next thing is the blog. So some of you might want to have a blog either written or to have videos on it or images or graphics or something like that, which is really, really great for content marketing, so that your website moves up, has better SEO, search engine optimization. So blogs are really, really great for that, and to build your authority, as well as building trust and trust of your audience. So getting them to know, like, and trust you by sharing your expertise and sharing what you know. So we'll be going through how to do that. finally, we're going to be learning how to connect your website, specifically the opt-in form. You'll have a form that people can fill out, which will then send their email information to Aweber or whatever your email service provider is, so that their email is now on your list and you can start sending them really cool things that's going to deliver them value, to continue that relationship with them so that they can continue to grow their trust, their like for you, their trust in you, and just continue that relationship, ultimately leading to sales. So we're going to be pretty much creating this funnel so that once it's complete, you can then send your website to, or links to your website to social media, to forums. You can share it on your business card, on events that you might run. Anywhere that you want to share your website, you can share it there, because now people can go there, they can actually sign up. All the sections will be complete. It will be your brand, and if you want to continue building things, we can build like a shop on there and just continue to grow it. Okay, so there's a bit of an overview of what we're going to be learning. First things first, we're going to jump in and build a logo. We'll see you there.